What's good, KCTV? And I got some huge news coming for y'all today. And there's this dude named 360 Jeezy. He's really like the head of waves on YouTube. In my opinion, there's a lot of wavers out there. He's like the head of waves on YouTube right now, and he also cuts hair. I think get my hair cut by 360 Jeezy. We got a 3-hour, 4-hour drive to go get my hair cut tomorrow. Cause I've been watching 360 Jeezy since I was like in 8th grade. So today I think I'm about to go with the probably like 2.5 with a taper. I'm gonna ask him for a preference. 360, 360, 360 Jeezy. I know you don't hear that shit a whole bunch of time on my phone. It's 360, 360, 360 Jeezy. Buddy, I walk in the barbershop, 360 Jeezy. He'd be like, yo, chill out, dude.
Survival challenges, crazy cupcake.
Dakota?
Yeah.
Can you show her someone who says, I'm here, right? Never gets old. Then, since I got my parents there, I get 16 of my favorite channels live for a year.
Hi, nice to meet you.
That's good.
Like, for real. So, if you're like me and you like watching people flip houses,
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, to start this cut, I'm just gonna comb through the hair with the grain, and I'm just basically lifting the hair off of the scalp so I can run the clipper blade in it, and it just, you know, feeds right into the teeth of the blade. So you want to make sure you lift the hair off the scalp before you actually start cutting wavers. So using my wall cordless seniors with the 2-guard open, I'm just running the clipper with the grain. The same way I was combing the hair is how I'm cutting the hair. To start off the taper, I'm going to set in my first bald line using my Andy Slimline Pro LIs. With the lever open using my Oster's Fast Feeds, I'm going to set in this guideline, but I'm going to flick out because I don't want to set in a harsh guideline. Skipping the 1 guard, I'm going to go straight into the 2 because I want to knock off bulk, and I want to basically know where I'm going to stop. So I'm just going to knock off the rest of this bulk just so I could blend that 1 into the 2. So dropping down to the 1 guard open, I'm just in a flick out motion, you know, creating that next guideline or blend, if you will. With the 0 guard closed, I know you don't see a line, but just do it anyway in a flick out motion. Make sure you use your corners because this is a tight blend that we're trying to create. So in a flick out motion, I'm just knocking out that middle line that I see. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line using your corners. So right now I'm doing some detail work. I'm just putting back on the guards, using my corners and just attacking those areas where I see bulk. So as far as the back, it's the same steps. Right now I got my lever closed, setting in my ball line. To keep it safe, I got my one guard on and I'm setting my next guideline. With the two guard open, I'm scooping out and I'm just taking off that bulk at the top. So with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. With the lever closed, knock out that bottom line. Since I used the two guard on top, I'm gonna go with a one guard open on his front line. That way, you know, his line could be crispy and it will actually expose his natural line. Right now I'm gonna spray his lineup with some hairspray just so it can stiffen up and I could come behind it with the liners and it could come off real crispy. just make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video because that's where I finish it. Focus it on me real quick. YouTube, this is the cut. Okay, now it just so happens to focus on me. That was beautiful. This is the cut. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Blah, 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 blah. But, all right, you guys, I'm going to give him an opportunity to shout out his YouTube channel. Him and his girl got a YouTube channel, so yeah, talk about it.
So we got a couple's YouTube channel. It's called KCTV. Go subscribe. We just started this year. We got a lot of new stuff. We got challenges, pranks, vlogs. Check us out, KCTV, and follow my girl on social media at Karina Gamma.
The links will be right here. And go ahead. My bad. I just cut you off.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe and yeah, do that like right now.
Right here, the links. It'll be in the description below.
Gamma.
Okay. All right. All this. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Somehow I'm gonna try to focus this on me. Take it off them, you know. I'm out of here. Peace.
You see me? You see me? You see me? Yeah. Yo, you know. Yo, you know. Yo, you know.
Dude, yeah.
Honestly, shout out to 360 Jeezy, bro. He's super chill, super
so cool.
He has good cuts. Camera's kind of bright right now.
He's funny too.
Super
like
dope. I got a picture with him too.
That was amazing.
Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. I gotta call my friends.
Dude, he's so awesome.
It's really crazy out here. We just got a cut. I just got a cut by 360 Jeezy, bro. I can't believe. He was so cool. He was so chill the whole time, bro. And super humble. Like super duper humble, super cool guy. But what I want to do is I asked him what I should do. I asked him what it got a little dark. I asked him what I should do because I want to woof some more, and I want to woof some more. He said I should woof for 6 weeks, so I'm gonna woof for 6 weeks, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna see the man probably in 6 weeks.